Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalureProperty.com. This is Lavish home number 58, a brand new independent house available for sale in JP Nagar BDA Layout off Bannerghatta Road and Kanakapura Road. It's a luxurious house, 3 BHK with central lift. Additional home theatre room is there which can be used as a 4th bedroom. You're looking at the ground level, complete parking with a common bathroom. Corner side, 2-side road is there, one side 40 feet, another side 30 feet tar road. Cauvery water, own borewell. Parking area has granite flooring, and this side complete sliding gate, other side openable gate. There is a common bathroom here in the ground floor. Very premium quality construction, 4,800 square feet of super built up area. It's a BDA Khata auction site, corner. This is the central lift, automatic. Stainless steel cabin. Bescom connection is done. And below the steps you have LPG gas cylinder enclosure. Lapotra finish anti-skid granite flooring for the parking and staircase area outside. Inside Italian marble flooring. Grand elevation, as it is a corner property, both side elevation design has been done. You can see the cladding work here, marble cladding. East facing main door, stainless steel and glass railing work. This is the main door. All teak wood doors, windows. Solid teak wood carving has been done for the main entrance. Foyer area with 3-floor high ceiling in the entrance. This is the foyer area and living, dining, kitchen. 2 balconies are there on this floor. There is also one common bathroom. Above, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4 rooms are there. This is the direct skylight and complete wall cladding work with stone. In 30 by 40, this is one of the largest possible living areas. Spacious living with TV unit, wooden false ceiling with LED lighting. One side has balcony towards the road. The other side you have a utility and bathroom. All the LED lighting, CCTV cameras are installed. About 4 CCTV cameras are there. Premium quality fittings. So there is a balcony, south side, towards the road. All solid teak wood windows. And other side in the northwest you have utility and common bathroom here. Totally there are 6 bathrooms in this property. Safety grill is provided. Premium Lisha brand switches. Phenolix brand wiring, and this is the grand Pooja room in the center. West facing Pooja room towards the northeast corner. Full wall cladding, wooden and CNC ceiling work with LED lighting. Southeast corner you have this kitchen. Italian kitchen with soft closing baskets, hydraulic lift for the upper cabinets. Vertical storage cabinet is there. And soundproof sink is going to be installed. Now let's go to the 2nd floor. In the center you have the staircase next to lift. 2-tone colors have been used for the flooring. Dark color for the razor and light marble color for the flooring. We have reached the second floor. Second floor we have a gallery here overlooking the living below. 2 large bedrooms with attached bathrooms and balconies. This is the master bedroom in the southwest corner. 3 cots are provided, all built in. Attached balcony, wardrobe, dressing mirror, TV unit. Very classy interior work with backlighting. This is the balcony, roadside. In the bathrooms, flooring is granite, Lapotra, anti-skid, and for the walls you have 3D tiles, 2x4. All Jaguar brand fittings will be provided. And this is the second bedroom. Again comes with a built-in cot, beautiful interiors, attached bathroom and balcony. The property is a very good developed location. From Royal Meenakshi Mall, Meenakshi Temple upcoming metro station, it is 2.8 kilometers inside. And from Prestige South Forum Mall, Falcon City, there is Konanakunte Metro station is also there. It is 3.7 kilometers. Good connectivity is there. Now we have reached the third floor. Third floor has the same plan like second floor, 2 bedrooms, and this is the third bedroom, another master bedroom I can say in the southwest corner with very futuristic patterns in the interiors. Built-in cot, wardrobe, attached bathroom and balcony. The other bedroom is designed like a home theater with plain shell space with all the required wiring. Balcony here towards the roadside. This is the fourth room. Can be used as a bedroom or you can use it as a home theater, gym room or any other purpose. It has a balcony and attached bathroom. Now we'll see the beautiful terrace area. Very functional space has been created on the terrace for parties, get together, small functions at home. Very relaxing space with this canopy and the sitting benches which have been made here. Southwest corner you have the laundry area, wooden finish anti-skid flooring, vitrified, and this is the skylight you have in the atrium. So this is Lavish Home 58 located in JP Nagar BDA corner property, available for sale. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.